Why do we call errors in computer code or where there are problems in a system bugs? The answer may surprise you.
A fabulous bird, reborn from the ashes of its earlier life.
How dare you, insect? How dare you interrupt my ascendance?
In a letter from Thomas Edison in 1878, he wrote, "You were partly correct. I did find a bug in my apparatus, but it was not in the telephone proper. It was of the genus Colobellum. The insects appeared to find conditions for its existence in all call apparatus of telephones, as in call bell, the telephone." He was a phony guy. In the 1892 Standard Electrical Dictionary, author and engineer Thomas Sloan standardized Edison's term, defining a bug as a fault or trouble in the connection or working of electrical apparatus, with a bug trap being a connection or arrangement for overcoming said bug. The International Correspondence School's 1913 Elements of Telegraph Operating mentions the bug trap remedy as one of the several solutions for eliminating slight disturbances in a circuit. In 1921, the Transactions of the American Institute of Electrical Engineers paper discussed using bug traps in railroad telegraphy and telephony. Isaac Asimov wrote a short story in 1944 called Catch That Rabbit, included in the I, Robot book that was loosely adapted into a movie, where he wrote, "U.S. robots have to get the bugs out of the multiple robots, and there were plenty of bugs, and there are always at least half a dozen bugs left for the field testing." But the actual first insect referred to as a computer bug was in 1947. The Mark II Harvard, also known as the Aiken-Rayleigh calculator, used by the U.S. Navy for ballistic calculations. It took up 4,000 square feet and weighed 23 tons. The processing speed was 8 hertz, compared to my PC, which is 2.5 gigahertz. Let's just say they weren't running Doom on this thing. The team was working late one night where they were in the habit of leaving the windows open due to the heat of the computer. Anyway, a moth attracted to the light got stuck between two relays and got fried. When they found it and removed it, they were debugging the system. The insect was carefully removed and taped to the logbook, and the term computer bug was used to describe the incident. This logbook, complete with attached moth, is part of the collection of the Smithsonian National Museum of American History. Though it is not on display as of today, there is a link in the description where you can see it. These days, roaches are the most common pest in the computer besides the scammers. They're attracted to the heat and a good place to hide. So, you wanna know what bugs me? Bugs in my computer. But I love to kill them.
Look at me.
Killing me, Smalls!
They're dead, alright? Can I go now?
I stand upon my desk to remind myself that we must constantly look at things in a different way.